Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and somebody sent me this cut out of a fox. I don't know what they're going to do with it, but they'd like to utilize more of the more wood or less wood and put it in the top left corner. There's several ways to do this. I mean, one way you could just put that ear in the top left corner, double click on your rotation and rotate them till you get relatively square. And you could actually put, let's move this ear up to that top corner there. Double click on it. So my rotation is right here. Let's put it right here on the corner of that page and just move this side down till it's even with that side. And then just move it out of the way a little bit, and you got to watch this ear down here. But there's actually an easier way on this particular one because of the fact that this side of the image is almost equal. So what you could do is select your item, hold down your shift key and double click on the rectangle tool, go up to object group and select it all, Control G, and then rotate this 90 degrees. Then take this corner and put it in the top left. Now ungroup it, so select it all, go to object group and ungroup. I don't understand millimeters, but I'm going to change it to 1. I'm going to take away our box, and I'm just going to move this down 1 millimeter and over 1 millimeter. So it'll be in the laser bed. That's going to utilize the most space or the least amount of wood. As you can see right there. Anyway, I hope I understood the question, and thank you for watching.